Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 12, chapter 12. Today's topic is animal behavior. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about instinctual behavior and Pavlov's theory. Instinctual behavior. What is instinctual behavior? Innate behavior is also called instinctive behavior. Instinct is the ability of an animal to perform a particular behavior in response to a given stimulus the first time the animal is exposed to the stimulus. In other words, we may say that an instinctive behavior does not have to be learned or practiced. Web spinning of spider. There is a picture of web which is made by spider. Spider developed a protein trap from with 6 silk glands. They spin their web based on species and types of prey. A few of the spider's baby mark their web right after they were born. Parental care. Parental care may refer to any behavior that contributes to offspring survival. That means the behavior or the activities which is done by parent for the offspring. Parental care in fishes. Different types of parental care are shown in fishes, especially as per example we may say about the Kholisha sp. Kholisha sp builds a home with the help of water plants before laying eggs to ensure the eggs are safe. In case of Channa punctata or Channa marullius, that means different species of turkey fish, both the parents guard their young from laying the eggs till they are safe dependent. In amphibians, different species of amphibians also shows different types of parental care. One species characteristics is developed by small type of frog which is available in Bangladesh. They excrete a foamy and slippery substances on a hanging piece of a branch of a tree from water above and lay their egg on that. The wet and slippery substances prevents the eggs from as drying and allow two egg to hatch into tadpoles. The tadpoles can fall directly into the water as the eggs were hatched above it. In reptiles we also may see different types of parental care. As per example, some crocodile species build a home with plants near water and guard that home at all times. Some species of snakes have been seen to curl themselves in a ball to hatch their eggs. In birds, Different types of parental care are there in birds. As per example, hornbills, one type of woodpecker. Hornbills use a natural hole in tallest tree trunk. This behavior is different and more attractive than other birds. During the mating season, almost all the female hornbills enter the hole and the male stay outside and provide them with clay. The female mixes her saliva with the clay, which produces a sticky substances, make a hole in the center and closes the trunk hole. From laying the eggs until the birds are able to fly, the female will stay inside the hole while the male hornbill provides the female and the babies with the food and security. Migration of birds. There are about 240 species of migratory birds. Most of the migratory birds of Bangladesh come from Himalayas northern regions, northern Europe and Siberia. These birds migrate for survival reasons, including avoiding natural disasters, mating seasons, finding food sources, etc. Even for the migration, the birds change its habitat from one place to another. Even think from Siberia, birds come to our country in winter season. Siberia, that means about to 4,000 kilometer far. Food seeking. Food finding and storing food is an innate behavior. Especially insects, birds and mammals find their desired food and store them for adverse weather. Latent behavior. To avoid adverse weather, some animals temporarily leave their habitat and move to another location. As per example, hibernation, estivation. Hibernation, you know what is hibernation, especially the amphibians take a warm place to save from winter season because they are cold-blooded animal. Estivation, some reptiles change their body color to save from adverse weather. Reflexes. An action that is performed without conscious thought as a response to a stimulus is called reflexes. That means the sudden response of our body is called reflexes. There are three types of reflexes are there. Number one, non-conditional reflex, eyes closing while suddenly being exposed to bright light. Most probably you have observed this phenomenon. Number two, conditional reflex. This has been explained in Pavlov's experiment that we are going to discuss. Number C, chained reflexes. sneezing and lacrimation when exposed to something acrid. Pavlov's theory. If the natural stimulus is used with dependent stimuli, the dependent stimuli will start working as a natural stimulus. In simple terms, we may say two stimuli are linked together to produce a new learned response in a person or animal. Follow the picture. First picture, we can see in front of a dog some food are supplied. To see the food substance, saliva secretion is started from the salivary gland of a dog. This is very natural. Picture number 2, we can see that without food, only bell is ringing. No response, no saliva secretion is done in picture 2. Picture 3, we can see food is supplied as well as bell is ringing at the same time. Saliva secretion started from the salivary gland of dog. If this phenomenon will continue for a long time, the dog will be used to see the food as well as the bell ring. Final picture, we can see that without food, just only bell is ringing. Saliva secretion is started here without any food. That means bell is working as a natural stimulus here. This is the explanation of Pavlov's theory. Finally, social behavior. Social behavior is behavior among two or more organisms within the same species and encompasses any behavior in which one member affects the other. Example, honeybee. Human. Especially in your book, briefly discussed the social behavior of honeybee. There are three types of members are there. Number 1, queen. Number of queen only 1. Drones a few hundred. Worker thousands. That means queen, drones, worker combinedly formed a unit or a hive, and they behave like social, which are discussed in your book. You have to read the social behavior of honeybee yourself and attentively. Maintain social distance. Adhere to hygiene rules. Thank you.